Today's topic is, where is 3D printing used in medicine? What is 3D printing? 3D printing is the process in which an object is produced from a digital 3D model known as a CAD, or computer-aided design. 3D printers use that image to lay down material one layer at a time until the full object has been produced. 3D printing is utilized to manufacture a wide variety of goods, such as automobile and aerospace parts, clothing and accessories, sculptures and other visual art, healthcare-related products, and many more. How is 3D printing used in medicine? As mentioned above, 3D printing is a very important and helpful tool for creating healthcare-related products. But what exactly is it used to make? Here are a few examples. Prosthetics. Unfortunately, there is currently a shortage of prosthetic limbs worldwide, but 3D printing has proven to be an efficient way to create new prosthetics. These highly customized prosthetics are often more comfortable for users than traditional ones, and they are usually less expensive as well. Medical devices. 3D printing has also been utilized to manufacture medical devices. This in-house production of devices can be done in a much shorter time frame than when outsourcing to another company. Clearly, this is an attractive benefit for medical device companies. In fact, 3D printing is used in some capacity by over 90% of the top 50 medical device organizations. Organs. The 3D printing of organs is still in its earliest stages, but there have already been many small successes. For instance, just over 2 years ago, scientists successfully created the first 3D printed heart. The possibility of using 3D printed organs for transplants in the future is an area of great interest for many scientists and doctors. Solvents for 3D printing. No matter what a 3D printer is being used for, solvents are a vital component of the process. But why? Firstly, solvents can be employed to clean off 3D printers after use. This helps inhibit the buildup of leftover material that might prevent the printer from working to its full potential, or even ultimately damage the machine. Additionally, solvents can be utilized to clean certain 3D printed parts, particularly those made out of resin, prior to curing them. Where to find solvents for 3D printing? Are you looking for a solvent to use for your 3D printer? Are you unsure where to start? At Bulk Chemicals To Go, our team of highly qualified chemists will be happy to help you find the right solvent for your needs and answer any questions you may have.